Hi everyone. So today I'll be discussing the different MBA programs at KG Somaya Institute. So KG Somaya being a deemed university, can launch an MBA program, and they have launched a number of MBA courses of late. So let's look at which courses to be preferred and which courses maybe you can skip. So I'm Patrick here. So let's start discussing. So the different programs are MBA, MBA International Business, MBA Financial Services, MBA Retail Management, MBA Integrated Marketing Communication, MBA Healthcare Management, MBA Human Resources, MBA Sports Management. So these are the courses that they have launched. I mean, you can normally make out by the name of the course what the course is all about, but let's go a little bit in detail and see what it basically. So I will not be discussing MBA core. Like MBA core is the main course, the flagship course of Somaya. So they will be they're the first preference for any student for any specialization, be it marketing, finance, HR, or be it main specialization. You will choose MBA because they will offer all specializations, and they're like a normal 2 year MBA programs that you can offer. So that's the first preference for sure. Now, if you don't get MBA core, so from the remaining, what can you choose and why should you choose? So let's go in details. So there's also MBA Data Science and Analytics. Again, MBA Data Science and Analytics have not gone to detail. Again, it's a newer course. Data science is in demand now, but a lot of colleges that do uh, offer data science. So if you're really interested in data science, you can maybe look at it. Else, maybe you can look at general management. Okay, let's look at placements. Placements, except for healthcare management, sports management, normally the placement is common for all the other courses. That means if you get into any one of the courses, you can sit for the common placements. So that is one advantage of getting into any course of Somaya. So you may be able to get a good break provided your CV is strong and you're a good candidate, right? If you join any other course. But anyway, let's go with details. So we talk of MBA Financial Services. The focus of financial services is finance. I mean, definitely, like a name sounds. That means if you're looking at specializing in finance, then MBA Financial Services is a good option to look at as such. If you're sure about finance, then you need to choose financial services over international business, okay? Because financial services is more focused on finance. So if you don't get a core program, MBA core, and you have options and you are looking at finance, then MBA Financial Services preferred over IB. That is IDEA B and MBA Financial Services. As far as MBA International Business concerned, they look at both finance and marketing. Both will be run parallelly in the second year. So in the second year, both the subjects will be taught. But when you go for placements, you have to choose one of the areas. So either you have to choose finance or you have to choose marketing. So when you go for finance, so both are taught in the second year. But as far as specialization goes, you can specialize either in finance or in marketing based on what you want. So that means if you're looking at not sure about what you want to choose between finance and marketing, then MBA International Business looks like a decent choice. Then you can choose MBA International Business over financial services if you're not very sure of your specialization. That is if you don't get a core. Okay, during placements, students have to offer one of the two areas, right? Uh, Coming to next, integrated marketing communication is a good course for if you're looking at marketing as an option, right? So it is a well designed course. I mean, it was designed by some of the experts in marketing, and it is definitely has a lot of practical application. You can choose if you want marketing, then you can definitely choose IMC after core. That means if you don't get a core program, then you can choose IMC. It's a decent option. Do talk to people about it. It's a little different course, but I've known students from IMC who have got decent placements, so there's no harm in choosing it. So it's a good course as such. But do talk to students at the college before you take up the course. Human resources is comparatively a newer course as far as Somaya is concerned. So it is not among the best courses for HR, that's for sure. There are a lot of colleges which have come out for HR like Narsi Monji, etc. But so is not one of the best courses. But yes, the fact that they have a separate batch for HR, it basically means that there will be some focus on the placements. Because what happened in a 2 year course, a normal course, is that very few people take HR. And because very few people take HR, there's no special focus on HR placements. But here, if you have a separate batch of HR, like in NM here in Somaya, or maybe even Dalmia has a small batch of HR or something like that, then they will at least focus on HR to get them placed. So that is the advantage. I'm not saying it's a great course. If you don't get into any other HR courses, there are many other HR courses which are good enough. I'm not talking about best courses like Excel and TES, but even SCM HRD, Ranchi, IIM Ranchi, NM, and MDI Gurgaon. They're all good HR courses which you can look for. If you don't get any of those HR programs, then maybe if you really want HR, you can look at Somaya. Fact that it is a dedicated course, which means there will be some placement that will happen. It is if you're focused on HR, if you know HR, then doing MBA HR would be a better option than maybe doing a general course from a similar college. I mean, as I said, in a similar college where there is no separate HR program, I mean, placements in HR could be a questionable. But then in that case, this is better option. Retail management not as good as the other courses that I mentioned above because the focus is retail, and retail has gone up and down over the years. So candidate has to do MBA and has no other option. Then maybe you can choose retail. Only saving grace is maybe he can get decent placement because of common program, but it is not supposed to be a great course as far as. So this is among the last choices that you look at as far as MBA is concerned in Somaya. Healthcare management again is a newer course. Placements not good. It's again not in a common placement pool, and it has a very specific healthcare management course. Since it's a newer course, it has not yet picked up. There are a lot of colleges which started with healthcare, right, from Goa Institute of Management, other colleges. So yes, I mean look at the placement option. Though Somaya has his own medical college, I don't know how great the placement opportunity is in this specific colleges. So do a proper research before you take up. I have not got great reviews about it, but do your research. There is no guarantee of placement if you'll get placement, but do talk to students of the college before you take up this course. Yeah, if you really want to do healthcare management and if you don't get anywhere else, then maybe doing this course is a good option. As I said, Somaya has a separate medical college that could help. Sports management newer course, no guarantee of placements. That's all I can say. Sports management is a coming up field, but considering that it's a new course at Somaya, any new course takes time to build, that network, etc. So I'm not sure if I'm going to recommend this course unless yes, you're very sure that you want to do sports. Then yes, there are not too many sports management courses. Then this becomes a decent option to look out for, right? I hope this will give you a fair idea about what are the options with regards to Somaya, the courses that they have, and if you've got a rank in Somaya, which courses you can choose and which courses you can skip. You can decide on that. I hope that helps. Thank you.